There are many videos online claiming that you can make a ton of money by watching videos and completing surveys on the internet. Today I'm going to be reviewing SwagBucks to find out if that's possible. Make sure you watch till the end to find out the best method to make money using SwagBucks. So to hop right into it, 100 SwagBucks is equivalent to $1, meaning if you have 10,000 SwagBucks, you're going to be able to redeem $100 in PayPal cash or really to any merchant that you want, like Amazon, Target, eBay, Airbnb, etc. So how do we go ahead and earn these swag bucks so we can redeem? What you're going to do first is go to swagbucks.com and you can sign up for an account. Once you have an account, you can see from here that you can redeem your swag bucks, your rewards, your swag codes, and you can share it with your friends even. So the first thing that you can do is answer surveys and earn. So it kind of tells you approximately how many minutes the survey is going to take and how many SB you're going to earn from that. So for example, this survey is going to take about 20 minutes and you're going to earn 75 plus 38 SB. So you're going to earn about $1. So if you can scroll through here, you can see there's different ones taking different lengths. This one takes 1 minute, but you only get 3 SB. So if you use that conversion of 100 SB in 20 minutes, you're only going to be making about $3 an hour maximum from answering surveys. But there's definitely a lot of other ways that you can earn. One of them being cash back, but the other ones are these different offers. So what are these offers exactly, and how easy are they to complete them? You can, for example, sign up for Robinhood, fund the account. You can sign up for SoFi and fund the account. So there's certain apps that you can download and fund, and after a certain amount of time, like 30 days, in this example, we get 40 or 4,000 SB, which is equivalent to $40. So this is legit, and you can get a decent amount back from doing these things. But let's say these game ones, for example. I tried doing one of these game ones. It was extremely difficult because you had to basically beat the game or get to a certain level. So it takes tons and tons of hours. So essentially, yeah, you can do some of these sign-up offers, for example, Stash. A lot of these are good investment apps. You can get 5,000 SB for your first $5 deposit, but it's going to take 32 days once again. So this isn't instant cash. But if you do these offers and you complete them, then you're going to get SB over time. But would I actually recommend this to anyone who wants to make money online? No, I would not recommend this to anyone. This takes a ton of time, and there's many ways that you can make money online, like creating content, affiliate marketing. There's 20 other things that I could recommend you to do, and I have videos on my channel of how to make money online, rather than wasting your time on surveys to potentially make a couple of dollars a day. I would rather make $0 and work on building a business than make a couple dollars and work 12 hours and only make $2 an hour, right? And then you're only making $20 a day and you're working, 12 hours. There's many, many better ways to make $20 in a day than doing this. One of the best methods is to just go on Facebook and see what free items they have. So I'm definitely going to make a separate video on Facebook Marketplace and exactly how you're going to do that. But definitely don't fall for these scam videos online that tell you that you can make $100 a day, $500 a day from this method. It's all clickbait, and maybe sure there's a couple of people who have made some decent money with SwagBucks or any of these other survey or watching video websites, but it's not going to turn into a full-time or a stable income for you. So definitely don't get too excited. Don't even bother signing up for these platforms. I think it's a majority of waste of time. And there's other things that you can focus your time into. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.